In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you create AI UGC videos for marketing. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Post-workout grind just hit different when you've got this by your side. 22 grams of premium protein, no added sugar. My gains wouldn't be the same without it.
So to create this video, first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here we need to go to the video section. Perfect. Now in settings, we are going to use the model Seedance 2.0. You can use if you want Kling 3.0, but Seedance is okay. And now we have to click here. Now here we have to select the image of our product, that in this case is this one. And now I'm going to create a little prompt. Perfect. This is the prompt. As you can see, it's a very simple prompt with little details. And now with that, we are ready. So let's click here. Well, if you want a longer video, you can do a 15 seconds video. But in this case, I think that 12 seconds is okay. So now let's click here and finally in generate. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Post-workout grind just hit different when you've got this by your side. 22 grams of premium protein, no added sugar. My gains wouldn't be the same without it.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The video looks really realistic and the quality is really good. Literally, the video looks better than my camera. Yes, I really like it. So if you want to do a video like this one, the prompt is going to be in the comment section and you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.